students, welcome, and today we will discuss some IELTS exam test tips. So the first one is familiarize yourself with the test format. Please familiarize yourself with the test format. The test format has four modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Okay, so you got to know all the formats, what the length of the exam is, what each module entails to, and how each module will test your ability with regards to English. Second is practice regularly. This is perhaps the most oversaid thing, but it is still the most important. Please practice regularly. If you do not practice, you will not gonna know what to do in the exam, and your exam will be a mess. So please practice regularly. The third one is simulate test conditions. Now, this is very important. Sometimes, when we are trying to do something, we get slack. We don't work hard enough. We don't think that this is important. I have seen students spending about 1.5 hours on one passage of reading. Why? Because they think, oh, they can take as much time as possible. Please do not do that. Try to simulate the test conditions. Get your friend along and make him watch you while you are doing the test. For example, put a recorder and try to do the listening in the set time, 30 minutes of the test and 10 minutes of the transfer. IELTS also provides you with free test sheets that you can download from the internet. Please use them, and this will help you during the real test. Fourth one is form opinions and write about them. Forming opinions is very important. So, for example, if the question comes in and states the loss of biodiversity is hampering humanity, but there are also other pressing things. So, you need to know what is biodiversity. What are other things? Other things could be climate change, pollution, as well as other stuff. So you got to know them as well, and also you got to form opinions about them. What do you think is the most pressing scenario? Is it pollution? Is it climate change? Is it loss of biodiversity? Is it food chain that is being destroyed subsequently? Please form opinions about them, and that's where you're gonna get good scores in your writing task too. Okay. Fifth is keep it simple. Don't overcraft your answers. Now this is a point for IELTS speaking. Many students overcraft their answer. What do I mean by overcrafting? They tend to put extra jargon. They tend to think that if they speak Shakespearean way, they're going to get good marks. This is not the Victorian era. Please keep it simple, keep it concise, and make sure that your grammatical range is good, along with the fact that you also use good connectors. There is a pattern about your language. Though if you're gonna use fancy words, but you're gonna make mistakes on simple things like adverbs or pronunciation mistakes, that's not gonna help you. Please keep things simple and do not overcraft your answers. So this is the video for IELTS exam tips, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button